Just kind of want to go over with you guys real quick a kind of little chair that I have here. I love this chair for like fishing or just kind of like lounging around on the beach. I am kind of on a beach, but I'm on a river beach. And I want to show you real quick this little chair that I always carry with me on places like this. Let me just go through some of the features of it real quick. What you would consider just the normal seated position. You lift up on the handles right there and lean back. That's more of the recliner type position. And then thing is, you have this rack right here. So when you're sitting back here, this is also a place where you could hang a towel, hang a bag or something you want back there. But really the use of this, recline that back and check that out. This actually has more like a sleeping, like a recliner, because it does have a built-in pillow there. If you don't want to use the pillow, you can flip it over. But I like that little pillow right there. Has the WeJoy logo embossed into it. The material is like a canvas, so it's like won't rip, won't stain, it's waterproof. And the thing is, it doesn't get hot when it's out in the sun, so it's very handy for something like that. It has a neat little pocket over here where you could put your cell phone in this pocket and like a water bottle or something in that pocket. And these legs are nice and wide right here, so they bite down into the sand nicely if you see how it goes down into the sand. And this is in the reclining situation. This is more of the reclining one. If you want to go back, lift up on that, and then you just lean forward, push the arms down and lean back. Now it's locked into place. Super simple. So going over the specs for y'all real quick. It's 26, little over 26 inches on the feet on the distance apart. The front of it is 25 inches wide going that way. It's a little over 30 inches in height going from the back of the seat down, and it's around about, looks like about a little over 7 inches from height right here. And the overall weight of the chair comes in a little over 5 pounds as far as the weight, but the weight capacity on this thing is 265 pounds of weight capacity on one of these. Let me show you collapsing it down right now. So collapsing it down, I push that down there. Look how simple that was. Carrying handle right here, and it's got a shoulder sling right here for going on the shoulder like that. Very light, very easy to carry around. All right, there it is, everybody. That's the kind of my little walkthrough and breakdown of the WeJoy 4-positioning beach chair, or as I like to call it, a river chair today. Let's get out of here. Let's do some fishing. See you in the next video. Woo!